Hello guys, Juju here and welcome back to another Java tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to read from files. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is, we actually don't need this. So if you still have this import, you can go ahead and remove formatter. Now, if you remember a while back, I told you that scanners not only scanned input, the user's input, but also files. And so that's what we're going to be doing now. And go ahead. Oh, I almost typed system in. And we're just going to go new file. And we actually don't need to go try catch statement, if I recall. Oh, does it? Oh, it does want to try catch. Never mind. Ignore me. That's embarrassing. So yeah, just go ahead and wrap it in a try catch statement, and we are gonna do what we did last time and just go ahead and declare it outside. And paste that. And, oh, I forgot my semicolon. And we want to make sure that it'll close no matter what. So, if x doesn't equal null, of course. Go ahead and then close it, because if it is null and you try and close it, that itself will throw an error. So, alrighty. Now, I took the leisure of going on ahead and creating multiple lines here. So we don't just have one line, but multiple. And it's basically the same line, but as you can see, each of the people are different. Also, this doesn't say tutorials, it just says meowing. And Austin spelled incorrectly. Anyways, so let's go ahead and do this. So because we don't actually know how long the file is, well, we do, but let's say that it could change at any time. So let's go ahead and create a while loop. Now, instead of doing anything sophisticated, Java has given us this beautiful method that just allows us to determine whether there's another line or not. And to access this method, we call the scanner and then we say has next line, just like that. And this doesn't actually get the next line, it just tells you whether there is a next line. So because we already checked and we don't want an infinite loop, let's go ahead and call that next line. So I'm going to store it in a string variable, and I'm going to call it line equals x dot next line. Alrighty. And then let's go print that out to the screen. Alrighty, so if this works correctly, it should go line by line, and it'll go, okay, does it have a next line? Well, yeah, it has this line. So let's go ahead and give it, and then it'll be here, and then it says, is there another line? And then it'll go, yeah, there is, so let's go get that next line. And it'll keep going and going until it gets here, and then it's gonna go, oh, there isn't a next line, and then it's go, okay, I'm gonna stop here. So let's see, and as we predicted, it went ahead and read it perfectly. Now you may be wondering, what's the point of saving and reading from files? It seems like there's not much point. Well, the point of it is that every variable you have in here, for example, line in this instance, because this from this bracket to this bracket line of code, this variable gets reset every time why can't I speak? Because a loop goes through this block of code over and over and over and over, it shows us that this variable here gets reset every single time. But that also means that when we restart our program, that the whole entire package will be reset, including everything outside in the class itself. So if I had a string name and I wanted to store their name, well, if every time they'd have to enter it manually, and it's sort of inconvenient. So that's why we can do things like that. And so if we want to save their settings, or if we want to, I don't know, in game programming, we end up using it a lot. So alright, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you haven't already subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that button. And if you're having any problems, you know that you can just go ahead and let me know down in the it seems like every 4 videos my English just, I don't even know. Anyways, where was I? Oh, leave me, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. This was Juju, and see you in the next tutorial.